Hi guys, I wanted to give you some insight as far as why I'm excited about the home business opportunity that we've got posted at BunchMonkey.com. First of all, a lot of home business opportunities that I've seen require some sort of buy-in to the membership, or they require that you purchase some sort of inventory in order to take part. You know, this is completely free. There's no buy-in for anything. Secondly, I noticed that a lot of the opportunities that I've seen require a monthly fee for you to stay active with their membership. There's no fee that's associated with this opportunity. The company's never going to ask you to spend a dime. Traditional barriers of entry that I've seen are completely erased. I think it's going to change the way that home business opportunities / affiliate marketing opportunities are run forever. There's a video at BunchMonkey.com. It's about a little over a minute long. It explains everything completely in detail. Go check it out, and I'll see you at the top.